In this problem, we have to find empirical formula of compound carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So the molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram per mole, and molar mass of H2O is 18 grams per mole. If 1 mole of CO2 contain 1 mole of C, then 44 grams of CO2 have 12 grams of C and 35.21 grams of CO2 should have 9.6027 grams of C. Now 1 mole of H2O contain 2 mole of hydrogen, then 18 grams of H2O contain 21 grams of H, and then 14.42 grams of H2 will contain 1.6022 grams of hydrogen. Now we have to find the mass of oxygen, which is equal to the total mass, which is given, that is 30.42, minus by the sum of mass of hydrogen and carbon, which is 9.6027 plus 1.06022. So the mass of oxygen is, which is 19.2151 grams. Now we have to find the moles of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So the mass of carbon is 9.6027, mass of hydrogen is 1.6022, and mass of oxygen is 19.2151. Now we have to divide by their molar mass. So molar mass of carbon is 12, molar mass for H is 1, and molar mass for oxygen is 16. So the answer we get that moles for carbon are 0.8002, moles for hydrogen are 1.6022, moles for oxygen are 1.2009. Now we have to convert them into whole numbers. So we will divide by a smallest number of moles, which is 0.8002. 0.002, 0. So we get that 1, 2, 1.5. Now we have to multiply by 2 to convert them in whole numbers. So the final answer is 2, 2, 4, 3. So the empirical formula is C2H4 and O3.